Now that I have the text-to-speech feature turned on my Chromebook, I'm going to show you how to use it. I know the text-to-speech feature is turned on because when I look in the right corner beside the time and the settings, there's a little speaker button that I can press. It says select to speak when I hover my mouse over it. I'm going to go ahead and click that button, and you'll notice it changes to a square with a little arrow in the corner. And then I'm going to select the text that I want read aloud.
The cow jumped over the moon.
Each time I want to hear the text, I have to select the button and then go and select the text.
How old are you?
So for each line, I want to make sure that I'm selecting all of the text that I want to hear.
Which of these is your favorite color? A, red. B, blue. C, yellow.
You can use this feature when you're taking assessments to help you understand the text as you see it.